of you and of you and the reflection of my face, so wouldn't even recognize or who put